cool. Very cool. But we didn't even have to try for that. We were just born naturally cool, you know. Let me get this. Alright. There's a bug over there. Second thing you have to do is be renewable. Renewable resources, my friend. Renewable resources. Now what we like to use is something called alligator poop. That's where the next step comes in. Alligator poop. She wasn't lying, folks. We are very lucky, and we have our own alligator. How do we get this alligator poop so well? Well, this alligator lives on a solely powered diet of beans and sauerkraut. It's just a process of nature, kids. Process of nature. See, there we go. Some handy alligator food. Alligator. Fresh. Fresh from the butcher. Still warm. Next thing we do is we dance.
I do.
There's some high class dancing right there. Really keeps you fit. Okay, kids. So next thing we're going to teach you is about farming. If something does happen, you have to be prepared and stay calm. The key thing is to remain calm. Got that, kids? So next thing you gotta do is to Twister!
Round and round,
Round and round.
round and round, round and round.
Back out of it, Bessie! We gotta get the chickens! The chickens! Get the chickens! Get the chickens! Get the cluckers and quackers! Come on, cluckers! Come on, quackers! Come on, cluckers! Come on! Get the chickens! Get the chickens! Get the chickens! Come on, cluckers! Get the chickens! Get the chickens! Get the chickens! Get the chickens!
Running and running, 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 running.
I think we're safe now. I think we're safe now. I think so. I hope so. Oh man, I hope the chickens are alright. What about cluckers? Cluckers? Oh man. And what about our beautiful crabs? Oh, the crabs! Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. Amen. Too much from me. I can't. Too painful. Sorry about that little episode, kids. Yeah. So, like we were saying, remain calm, and everything will work. Alright, so, that's all for today, kids, and join us next time when we go to Las Vegas! Sing it.
Stronger, stand on.
Howdy, y'all. Howdy. Okay. I'm just introducing us. Hey, howdy, hey! No. Okay, go. Shovel, throw. Shovel, throw.